Discoverability sucks on Twitch, but did they just fix it? Twitch has a feature called Featured Clip that is something you're definitely gonna wanna look into. Clips are a powerful way to show moments from your stream that are the best and maybe sometimes the worst of your stream, but either way, it's content, right? But clips are also a great way just to show people what they're missing when they don't see your streams. Now, you actually have a way to kind of push those clips to your followers, recent followers and older followers, and even reach a brand new audience that doesn't even know you exist yet. Don't worry, you're still a superstar in my heart, and I know you exist, but some other people might not just yet. So what is Featured Clip? Featured Clip basically allows you to pick your best moments and your best clips and feature them on your page, which means they're gonna be the first clips that people see, and it's gonna basically put it into a brand new algorithm that will show it to either random people and or people that you currently follow. So currently right now, you have the ability to where whenever you open up your Twitch app, it'll actually bring you to the Featured Clip section, which will kind of look like this. So here on my followers list, at the very top of it, we see that we have Chloe Cosmos, Snoopfire, some Rooster Teeth, and some other people. But these are clips that basically they took from their stream and featured them on their page. But I know you're wondering by now, how do you use it? Well, let's go through step by step. So first, you're gonna wanna go to your creator dashboard on Twitch. And then on the left-hand side menu, click Content. And underneath that, you wanna go ahead and go to Clips. Now to the left of your clips, there are boxes. When you check those boxes, you can actually then use a brand new feature called Featured Clip. So when you select that, it will then feature that clip on your page. And on the right-hand side, there's gonna be a column where it will actually show you if a clip is featured or not. Now, a side note is that Twitch is actually only showing featured clips. They're not showing your old clips. So if you do go to your clips page, just make sure that you have featured clips selected off in case you're looking for an older clip. Don't worry, they didn't delete them. They're not gone. They just kind of hid them underneath a different filter. Now, I know what you're thinking. You mentioned discovery and reaching a brand new audience, but how are you supposed to do that with Featured Clip? Well, they're gonna be rolling out a brand new thing called the discovery page, which is actually already being pushed to certain users through the mobile app. Once on that mobile app, you can go to the discovery page and you can kind of consider it a TikTok-esque like style, but you basically can just scroll through random clips and find brand new people you've never seen before. Which, by the way, I feel like I've been asking for this for ages. So let me know in the comments below if you're happy that they finally introduced this to Twitch, even if it's a little late. But at least we're getting it. Now, I wouldn't rely on this to fix discoverability completely. It's cool that Twitch is adding this, but I still wouldn't stop posting on other social media websites because personally putting all your eggs in one basket is kind of a dangerous thing to do, especially in this day and age with places like Mixer, RIP Mixer. And now that you know about Featured Clip, I highly suggest start using that today. Because even if this reaches 1 or 2 new people as far as your clips go, it's 1 or 2 new people that you didn't have before. And who knows, it might not be 1 or 2, you could be seeing thousands of brand new people and you might not even know it if you never started using Featured Clip. So go out there, start using Featured Clip today. Let us know, did you already know about Featured Clip before this video? Yes or no? Also, if you guys want more videos like this, hit subscribe, give us a like if this video helped you out. And until next time, my name's Paula. I'll see you in the next one.